This is site E01, and this offers some of the best views. Check out those mountain views. It's gorgeous. They have this beautiful heated pool for year-round enjoyment if you're brave enough to get in it and then get out and it's 37 degrees.
Tried to light it, but I didn't realize there was this little thing here.
Group of about 15. Two girls.
Care if we video a little bit, does she?
Oh, I'm sure not.
Yeah.
I'm sure they would love it. It's good advertising.
Want some pokey? Want some pokey from the shack?
Where you go? Where you going? You got a date?
It's very pretty. I've had a handful of friends.
Oh yeah, look, see.
My parents are not here yet.
Okay,
they're
coming. They're right there.
Hey, there's a few more coming. Pick up the pace. Let's go. Come on.
We're missing Conlin. Do you think that we should do it facing that way?
Hey, pups.
No, so I was laughing because I was like, oh my gosh, Lauren, a couple of people came up to me and I thought it was like, haha, funny. Sometimes Sean is like, no one got that joke. And I'm like laughing to myself and he's like, literally no one got it except for you. I'm like, well, what can you do? I would love to hear what people went and did today because I would really love that there was kind of a good flow. There was a lot of people that stuck to the itinerary, came and went as they really wanted. The castles did some really cool stuff. So if anybody wants to come up and share what they did today, I will give you an extra raffle ticket for the raffle prizes.
And Mike and I, for about, we got to the very end of Ottvar, the Ott winery thing. So we kind of guzzled the
That's like Daniel's perfect style of wandering local. Let's be real.
So we took a group picture. So that will be on the RallyHero website when I...
It would not be a night unless you're on the microphone anyway, so. And come and tell us what you guys did today. Come on, Castle Crew. Come on. Come on down, Paul. $25,000. We have a Cartier Vineyards wine tasting, which includes 4 samples, which is our very first raffle for this evening. Now, if you won yesterday, we like to share the wealth, right? So if you won a gift yesterday, and we call your number tonight, you are going to come up and you are going to pick the next winner. We're going to pass on the love so we all get a little something this weekend. You ready? 8, 6, 7, 6, 2, 6.
Oh, that's me.
That's me.
All 8, 6, 7, 5, 9, 1.
591.
591. All right, round 3, and we go. Rock, paper, scissors, go. Oh, we've got a tie. We've got a tie. This is it. Think hard about your choices. There are consequences, like winning. Like winning. All right. Rock, paper, scissors, go. No, redo it. She wasn't ready. Beth wasn't ready.
Okay, sorry, Beth.
Sorry,
Beth, are you ready?
Focus.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, go. I can't see what happened.
They tied.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're doing it again. Ready? Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
This is not. No. We need to do it better.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right. Beth, you're our official winner, but Angela, you still win a scooter.
Yes.
Yep, because we got 2 scooters to give away.